Hi guys, I'm back with another Easter DIY. This time I'm going to show you how I make a simple wreath using a pool noodle from Dollar Tree. Because the noodle is made from a foam material, it's the perfect base to stick your flowers and embellishment into. And you don't have to use much hot glue, and that's always a win. So without further ado, let's go get lost in this DIY sauce. You want to grab some duct tape and tape together the two ends of the pool noodle, which is not an easy thing to do. Your girl was definitely on the struggle bus with this one for sure. Here's an easy way to cheat on your wreath build. Grab a floral garland, this one I got from Christmas tree shops for about $8, and secure it to the pool noodle using pipe cleaners or zip ties if you have them. The garland already has a good amount of flowers and greenery, so it gives you a really nice base to start with. Using these flowers from Dollar Tree, I cut the stem down and started sticking them directly into the pool noodle to add some color and dimension to the wreath, and to start filling in any open areas where you can still see the orange from the noodle. Now it's time to add the embellishments. First, I added these glitter egg picks from Dollar Tree, which was really simple. I just broke the stick off to make it easier to stick it into the noodle. And then I added a few twine carrots, which you may recognize from my tier tray video, and I'll link it above just in case you haven't checked it out. Since the carrots have a foam base, I was able to stick toothpicks in them, making it easier to attach to the wreath, and then I didn't have to use any hot glue. Told ya! I made this bow off camera because, like I said before, I am not the best bow tyer, if that's even a word. And I was kind of shocked at how well it came out. But I attached it to the back of the wreath with a pipe cleaner and then went around and cut all the excess pieces off where the garland was attached. Probably should have did that at the beginning because I ended up smushing my beautiful work of art that is the bow. And then to add a special touch, I dovetailed the ends. I added a couple of bunny picks from Dollar Tree on either side of the bow. And then I added a few more glittery picks, also from Dollar Tree, to give the wreath a finishing touch. I used a piece of twine to make a loop to hang it with, and then the wreath was complete. And here's the final look. I just love making these pool noodle wreaths. Thank you so much for joining me for another tutorial. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've ever used a pool noodle to create a wreath. Oh, and could you do your girl a favor? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already, and share it with a few of your friends. Hey, let's get lost in the DIY sauce sometime soon. See ya!